Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, beverage director with Taste Catering, back with 1 Minute Cocktails. Today I'm showing you how to make a classic martini. For me, the summer martini means on an ice cube, so I've got a 2-inch ice cube here, which is melting fast because it's warm in here. For me, a martini makes or breaks on 3 important decisions. What spirit am I using? What vermouth am I using? And what's the proportion? So, I'm going to show you how I like it, in particular with the 209 gin. There are 3 local gins that I love. 209 gin, this St. George terroir, which is made from herbs gathered in and around Mount Tam, and the Bummer and Lazarus dry gin made here in San Francisco in Bayview. This is an amazing gin with a lemon twist because of its bright citrus notes. The Bummer and Lazarus is the only dry gin amongst the 3. The other 2 are sort of more Western, unusual concepts in terms of herbs. So the first step for your martini is to add ice to your stirring vessel, and then 2 ounces of gin. The last choice is, of course, your vermouth. Thankfully, in the last 10 years, we've added a lot of interesting vermouths to the market. For a martini with a lemon twist, I strongly recommend a white vermouth because the white vermouths have a more herbal profile than a dry vermouth, and they just pair well with these gins, with these 3 gins in particular. So I'm going to do 1/4 ounce of Carpano Bianco. This is one of my favorite white vermouths, and I'm going to just stir this very well. I'm going to grab my Hospitality Helps ice cube here and drop it in my beautiful Pixar glass, and then I'm going to pour this right over the top. And then the last step here is a lemon twist. We're putting a lot of lemon oil over the top so that the lemon scent is the first aroma we encounter. I'm going to just dress the glass a little bit here. A little curl. Ain't that cute? Cheers. For me, the martini experience is about experiencing that very, very cold spirit and letting the herbs in the gin and vermouth really come through. This is a really important part of martinis. Martinis used to be like a very vodka-forward kind of experience. Just give me cold alcohol. This is a much more savory way to approach this drink, and I really appreciate the craft that goes into both spirits when it's made in this proportion, especially with a lemon twist. In the winter, I'll show you an olive twist martini, a very different approach in terms of spirit, vermouth, and proportion. Yum. To support our Hospitality Helps initiative, you can buy these perfectly clear ice cubes at blindtigerice.com. You can get 5 cubes for $10, and $3 of that goes to support Hospitality Helps, an initiative between Taste Catering and Meals on Wheels. We're providing meals to those in need during the pandemic. If you're looking for a particular spirit or wine that's hard to find, please reach out. Orders at tastecatering.com will reach me, and I will help you find a mango brandy, a carrot eau de vie, a vodka made from a particular kind of potato. I know how to source so many wonderful things, and I can put you in touch with unusual offerings. This Saturday, I am running a very fancy cocktails online event, and I would love for you to join. You'll get a beautiful box filled with the ingredients to make 3 drinks along with snacks during the happy hour, and you have the option to order a meal. We do have a few of those left. Please join me for very fancy cocktails on Saturday. Thank you for watching today. Cheers.